This series or playlist, How to Use the Chrome Browser, shows how to use Chrome version 63 for Windows 10. The following videos are in this playlist. This is the one you're watching now. It describes how to change Chrome settings to make it easier to use. This one, how to use the functions that appear on the Chrome main window. How to save, organize, and open web page bookmarks. How to use the functions and settings on the Customize and Control window. That's opened by clicking the symbol at upper right in the Chrome window. How to manage search engines shows how to add or remove search engines and how to select the default search for the Chrome address box. This is a Tom's Tech Notes video. There are over 200 computer help and hobby videos on my channel page. If the video you are watching is part of a series, you should watch the series videos in order from the playlist on the channel page. To visit the channel, you can type this URL into your browser. You can search for TOMSTDA. The Google search works much better than the other searches. If they appear in your video window, you can click my name, Thomas Wallace, my photo, or a clickable link. To be notified when videos are added or updated to the channel, click the red subscribe button and request email notification. You may have created shortcuts to execute Google Chrome when you installed the browser, but in case you didn't, here's a quick review on how to create the shortcuts on the desktop, the Start menu, or the taskbar. You can create a shortcut on the desktop by clicking the Windows logo, scrolling down to Chrome, and it's Google Chrome, alphabetical. Click and drag this symbol to your desktop. Use the left button. That will create a shortcut on the desktop that will open the browser. If you would prefer to create a shortcut in this area that pops up when you click your Windows logo, the way to do that is right-click Google Chrome, select Pin to Start. That will put a symbol over here to open the Chrome browser. If you would prefer to put it down on the taskbar, as I have, this is it right here. After you right-click Google Chrome, you hover over More on this pop-up menu. If you haven't already pinned it to the taskbar, this line would say Pin to Taskbar, and you would click it. Since I've already pinned it, that would remove it from the taskbar. After opening Chrome, as with all browsers, you can change the text size by pressing Control plus or Control minus. Here's a Control plus, another Control plus, a Control minus, and another Control minus, and we're back to the size we started at. After Chrome opens, the address line is at the top, followed by the bookmarks bar if it is visible. If this bar is not visible, where you put your bookmarks, click the settings symbol, this symbol here under the close box, then select Settings, and then check Show the Bookmarks bar under the Appearance heading. It's already checked, so if you check it again, it'll hide it. So make sure you always show that toolbar. It's a very useful toolbar. Now, to get rid of this screen, close the tab it has opened in by clicking this X. Now we're back to my home page. This is a custom home page that's described in my video series, How to Create a Browser Home Page, using the Internet Explorer browser and the Notepad editor. Once the home page is built, you can use it with any of your browsers. And you can upload your custom home page to your personal web space on your internet, and then use it with all your devices, including your portable devices. Check with your internet service provider for how to do that. The Chrome browser starts on a default startup page. The default startup page will show possible websites you might want to visit based on what you visited before with the Chrome browser. Some of us would like to use our own startup page, and here's how to use that. First of all, you need to open the page that you want to use as a startup page. That's the page that the browser starts on when you open it up. To change that, click this customized symbol, click Settings, go down to the area that says on Startup, and instead of opening the new tab page, say open a specific page or set of pages. If you're adding a new startup page, you won't see it here, and you'll click Use Current Pages. And then to check that, we close and reopen the browser. Sure enough, it now starts with the page that I had set before, which was the Wallace home page. Chrome is unlike most other browsers. There are two pages you can set: the page that Chrome opens with or starts with, and the page that Chrome opens when you press the home button. For other browsers, those are the same web page, but for Chrome, you can set those to different pages. I usually set both of those to the same page. To set your home page, first open the page in your browser, then select the address field and press Ctrl-C to copy the address to your clipboard. Click the Customize button, Settings. There are two things you may need to do. If you're not currently showing the home button, and that's this symbol right here, click this symbol to turn it on. That's off. It's now disappeared, and that's the way to show the home button. Once you're showing the home button, click the lower of the two circles. If this line says Enter Custom Web Address, you will click it and press Ctrl-V to paste in the address of the page you opened, which is the home page. If there is already a web address on this line, you will select it by triple-clicking it, then press Delete. Press Ctrl-V to paste in the address of the page that you have open that you want to assign to the home button. Click elsewhere on the page to make that change. That's the end of this video. Once again, here are several ways to visit the Tom's Tech Notes channel page.